Guys, it's Carolyn with Crafting with Wine. I just realized my camera battery is almost dead, so I'm going to try to be super fast with this 2-page 12 by 12 scrapbook layout. This is another one from Marjorie Ann Designs, and I cheated on this one quite a bit because I did tons of print and cut because I wanted to get another Christmas layout done in July. And again, it comes from Marjorie Ann Designs, and it's titled Christmas Village Town Train. So I'll link that in the comments below as well. So let's get started. My 12 by 12 background layer, this green is 12 by 12. The pink is cut at 11 and a half, and it comes from one cut note cards Cricut cartridge, and it's called the rounded square note card, or top note card is what it is. And then I have 3 photo spots or journal spots, however they want to be used, and I cut them smaller than I've ever cut them before. They will hold a 3 by 3 photo. The blue layer is 3.5 by 3.5. The yellow green layer is 3 1/4 by 3 1/4. So, and I've already laid those down because I didn't want to take the time of measuring and doing that all on camera today. So that's why that is already down. So let's go into my next layer that I'm going to do. And this comes from part of the title that I'm going to lay down. And I used 2 different titles, but they both came from Miss Kate's Cuttable's Holiday Phrases, and you can search that cartridge and find it. One of them had the word wonderful in it, and one of them had the word Christmas in it, and I liked both of those, and that's what I used. And then they also had these little holly sprigs in it, one with the 3 leaves and one with the 2 leaves. So I've cut those separately. All of my 3-leaf hollies are cut at 1.75 by 2.17, and I did paper piece these together. And my little 2-piece hollies, paper pieced as well, and they're cut at 1.51 by 1.79. And there's something else exciting that I wanted to tell you during this video. As you guys probably know, I'm in the process of doing a giveaway, and I contacted Marjorie Ann Designs and asked Marjorie Ann if she would be willing to sponsor a giveaway, an item for my giveaway that I've got coming up. And she happily agreed, and she's going to give a $20 gift certificate to her site. So with whoever wins that, I will ask for an email, and Marjorie Ann herself will text or email you a code for $20 worth of her cut files. So that's amazing, and I'm so excited about that. And thank you so very much, Marjorie Ann. I really, truly appreciate it. I'm like her biggest fan, I think. Well, I like to think that I am. And then I'm going to place down some more holly sprigs up here. And I'm doing these with my wet glue, the Reindeer Multimedia Matte. As you guys all know, I love that stuff. And then my first image that I'm going to put down is Santa in the train. And again, it's print and cut, and it came out so cute. He's so cute. I inked around the edges of everything, even the holly, and all of my train pieces I inked around in the Memento flannel gray, and the green layers I inked around in an old Stampin' Up! Ink pad called something Wasabi. is what I used for that. And I'm going to put my Santa and his train right here. And I'm going to pull that ink pad out real quick. I'm trying to being so fast. It's wild wasabi is what I did with all the green. And then on the pink berries of my holly, I use Stampin' Up! Flirty Flamingo, and I'm pretty certain that's a very old ink pad too. So, and my next train piece that I'm going to put down, it says Joy, and it's got a cute little Christmas tree in it. And I have used Winkastella on the stars of the tree. And I'm going to lay it down flat. And I'm going to put it right about there. My next layer is part of my title that I'm going to lay down, and I've already got it put on my Glad press and seal the way I want it, and it says Wonderful, and this is from the Miss Kate's Cuttables. I'm going to put it right there. So I'm going to lay some wet glue on this super fast. I'm sorry to be so rushed with this layout, but I don't want my camera to cut off before I'm done. Run out of battery life. And I'm just dotting all the glue on my letters. Is all I'm doing. And I just really like the whimsical look of this Wonderful, and that's why I chose it. And Wonderful is cut at 11 inches by 2.46. And while I'm gluing this down, I think I forgot to tell you the measurements of the train that I've laid down. And the train that has Santa in it is cut at 6.16 by 4.90. Excuse me. And the train with the tree in it is cut at 3.63 by 4.98. And I've just about wore out this piece of Glad press and seal, so it'll be, I'm tossing it after this use. So, and it's perfectly lined up. That's why I love Glad press and seal. I love using it. So let's get, that finishes this side of my layout. So let's bring in the other side now. The right side. I've done it exactly the same way. I've already got my photo mats laid down as well. And the next thing that I'm going to lay down is more of the holly sprigs. They're cut exactly the same way and exactly from the same cut file, obviously. I'm going to put this one up here in the corner. And this one in this corner. Okay. I was trying not to do that, but that didn't work out so well. And then this one in this corner. And then this one in this corner. And I loved using very non-traditional colors for this Christmas layout, because I was trying to decide if I was going to do this Christmas train layout or a a Christmas layout in the tropics, which certainly wouldn't be traditional colors either, in my opinion. So my next image that I'm going to lay down is my little Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer in his train with his candy canes, and he is cut at 4.85 by 5.33, and I'm going to lay him down flat as well. And I'm not going to take the time with my camera battery being so low, but I will come back and add some wet glue on his antlers and the candy canes. And I'm going to put him right here. And then I have this super cute little elf girl, and she's cut at 3.84 by 5.09. And again, all of these little super sweet, cute, amazing images come from Marjorie Ann Designs. And I'm going to place her right here. And then the next image is my super cute little Christmas tree. And again, Wink Castella on the star. And I'm going to lay it down flat as well. And I'm going to put it, I put glue on the bottom of my trunk of my tree, and I don't want it there because I want it to come over that photo mat. Okay, so now I'm good to go. Because I didn't want to cut any part of it off. So it's going to go right there. And then to finish off my title, I have the word Christmas that I've cut out, and I am going to place it right here. And then I'm going to do it with wet glue, but I won't put wet glue on those areas that come over my photo mats. And there's the dot for my eye as well. And because my camera is now blinking at me, I'm not going to take the time to glue that down. I'll do that off camera, obviously. And I'll bring in the other side of my layout so you can see them both together. And I think it came out super cute, and I hope you guys give this a try too. And if you're a winner to one of my giveaways, you'll be able to get it with your gift certificate. So good luck, everyone. Check out my giveaway. I'll link that in the description box below as well. And thanks so much for supporting, thumbs upping, and commenting, and subscribing. It means the world to me. Take care. Cheers.